Obviously it's a costly process and you're going to put down some serious money, so you don't want to make a mistake. We'd already done that once. We certainly didn't want to do it a second time. It's probably was about 15 years since the initial build and the bathroom had started leaking. We were sort of at a crisis point where my husband was putting his foot down and saying, look, we just got to get on and do it. We wanted to stay with someone in the area. We looked for someone that had been in business for a while. They weren't coming and going. It wasn't a new business. And someone that maybe guide us in the finished product, what it might look like, what we might want. Even if you don't know exactly what you want, you need someone that can maybe be listening and take some ideas that you've got and maybe give you some suggestions to help you along the way. And that was a big plus for us. They gave some suggestions, some layout ideas, but then if there was something I didn't like, they were more than happy to swap things around. We decided to do both our bathrooms at once. I was included, and if there was anything that wasn't working, they came straight to me and said, look, we have this problem, we have to work around it. Here's some suggestions, and we took it from there. So it was great. Everything was just handled really quickly and explained to me, and they did make some suggestions, the heated flooring. Yeah, we were in luxury now. What more can you want?